As all the festivals are around the corner, this video is all about the beautiful and my favorite makeup products haul which I have bought from Amazon at a very good and discounted price.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you all the products which I have bought from Amazon, which are my favorite products and using which I have created this amazing festival beautiful look. As you all know, Amazon's Great India Festival is live now and it is offering amazing discounts on all the fashion, beauty and skincare products. So I thought to buy a few of them for myself. So I have bought so many products from Amazon this season and I'm going to show you which products are my favorite products which I have bought at very good discount from Amazon only. So let's just get started. To start with my skincare, the thing which I have got at a very great discount from Amazon is this mini silicone brush. This is a face exfoliator brush. You can see the description and the prices at which I have bought on the screen itself. Now this is very good. It has got one switch on and switch off button which you can use and then you can just scrub it all over your face. It has got plus and minus in order to increase or decrease its vibration, and once you apply your moisturizer on all over your face, just massage a little bit using this scrub. It will give you a very soothing and relaxing effect. Now these are the two concealers which are my favorite concealers. One is the Maybelline Insta Age Rewind and the second one is this Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. These two concealers I have used in order to create this look. These are my favorite concealers. Most of you must be thinking that along with concealer we also use foundation, but I basically do not use foundation when I dress up for a small gathering sort of a function. I use concealers rather. I just conceal all the places of my face wherever I feel I have uneven skin tone, and then using this concealer only I just give a very dewy and very good and glowy effect to my skin. So it just looked like as in I have applied foundation all over my face. For my glamorous eyes, I have used this Maybelline Hyper Glossy Eyeliner. Now this is very good. You can see the effect on my eyes for the same. You just should know how to apply wing eyeliner and you can recreate it using the same Maybelline Hyper Glossy liquid eyeliner. As you all know that I am a big fan of lashes, false lashes. So in order to apply false lashes, you need some glue, and this time from Amazon at a very great discount, I've got this Glam Girls adhesive for eyeliner. It is basically eyelash glue. It is by Glam Girls Hollywood USA. It is really very good and effective and it is easy to apply. Let me just show you how you can just apply the same. It just comes in the form of the eyeliner. So this brush is very easy. You just have to apply this like you are applying an eyeliner and then just fix your eyelash over it and you are done with it. Moving on to lipstick. I am a big fan of Lakmé 9 to 5 collection and this cushion matte lipstick. Now this is the new one. I mean this one was there on internet which has been launched by Lakme previously itself, but I have tried this one for the very first time and let me tell you, this says that it is cushion matte lipstick which when you apply gives you a very soft feeling. It looks like you have applied a creme lipstick, but once it dries up it gives you a matte effect. So it doesn't basically smudge. It is really very good and very affordable, and as you can see during this Amazon Great Indian Festival I have bought this at a very good price. So it's not possible for all of us to have a lot of lipsticks along with us which matches all our attires. So it becomes very important for me as a makeup artist to buy at least a set of so many lip liners which will help you out when you are in need of any shade. Now as you can see, this one is Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner. This is a pack of 12 very good lip liners. It is matte in nature and when you apply it, it is creme. Now let me just show you how pigmented they all are. See how much pigmented all these colors are. So for every Indian married woman, you know, it becomes compulsory or mandatory, or maybe it comes out of their own will, that they apply Sindoor. And this time I have bought this Sindoor by Lotus. This is a very good bright color, red color. Earlier I was also using the same brand, but it was of dark maroonish color, and I was very happy with it because it doesn't smudge much, and the ingredients through which it has been made is very good and herbal. And as you can see, the color of this particular Sindoor is just like this. As you can see, I have applied it over here. This is the real color which comes out if you buy this bright red color. Again, this was on a very good discount on Amazon, so guys, just go and grab yours right now. This is L'Oreal Serum, which I personally like myself, and while going to bed I always apply serum on my face to hydrate my face and make sure that I moisturize my face in such a way so that it not only would be hydrated, but it would also be supple and would be free from any kind of skin related problem. And this one is really good. This time in this Amazon Great India Festival, I have bought this at a very good huge discount, and you must also try this one. Now when you dress yourself up, it becomes important for you to use some good fragrance as well. So this time I was wondering which brand to go for, and I've heard a lot about Fog and Engage, and therefore since all the perfumes and deodorants were at a very good and huge discount on Amazon, so I, instead of buying one, I have bought two perfumes, one for myself and one for my husband. Now for my husband, I have bought this perfume by Engage, and for myself I have bought this perfume by Fog scent in the fragrance Make My Day. Both these are super amazing. I am right now having this Fog one, and I really love its fragrance. Now one thing which is very important to take care of your skin once you are finished with your celebration, you go and wash your face. Nah, that's the wrong step. First you should always take out all your makeup using a good micellar cleansing water. In this season of discounts on Amazon, I have got this Garnier micellar water. This time I have bought a big bottle, which is a 400 milliliter, because I think it is most important to take care of our skin and to remove our makeup properly. We should always use a micellar water in order to first remove our makeup, because it is very soft and supple and gentle on our skin, because its main purpose is that only, so we should always use a good makeup remover. I use Garnier because I personally love this brand. Earlier I was having a small bottle of the same, and because this season Amazon is offering great discount, so I have bought this bottle from Amazon, and this says that it could be used up to 200 uses, and I'm pretty sure that it is going to do that. So this was all about what I have bought from Amazon in this Great India Festival. Now it's your turn to check out all the products which not only I have bought, rather whatever you wish to buy from the website. You can download Amazon or you can check out their website. Huge discounts are going on all over the products. I believe there is none of a single product which is not having any discount on it, so you should go and grab your favorites now. As far as all the products which I have used in order to create this look, which I have bought from Amazon and which is my favorite, I'm going to put all their links in the description box below. Do check it out, and if you like and if you wish to buy those products, you can directly go and just click on the link of that product and buy it for yourself. So go check out Amazon's Great India Festival right now.
If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned on my channel for more videos.